What is happening, people? I've got another laptop with me. This one is an HP 250 G8. So from the customer, this one's it's not displaying. So let's press the power button and see if we've got any light. Yeah, we do. It's got a power light over there. And no response from the screen. Do I get a caps lock blink? I don't see anything. So this process of looking for caps lock and checking for display, it is critical, but it works much easier if you've got a power supply, which is what we're going to use today. Because yeah, it may take time for the laptop to actually give you the caps lock blink. So what we do is I'll simply do what you would probably do. Yeah, which is to say, let's power up the laptop without a battery in. I want to see what the motherboard alone is drawing. So where's my power cable short now? Okay. All right, you can see over there. Got 200 milliamps, 200. Yeah. Okay, it is jumping up and down. This thing is supposed to display. Let's give it a moment, see if it's gonna jump again or it's stuck. If it's stuck, it won't display. Yep, it's stuck. It will not display. So once you see it get to a point like this, like a simple number, not jumping up and down, that laptop is not gonna display. So let's check the RAM. That's the first thing that we always check. In these particular motherboards, the RAM is always notorious. The RAM slot actually in particular. In this one, it seems to be okay. I don't see much of an issue here. Nah, this RAM slot is fine. All I'll do is I'll give it a brush up with alcohol. Yeah, just alcohol and brush it up a little bit. I'm not gonna use the customer's RAM for now. I'll see if I've got a non-good RAM that I can test with, which I don't think I do. Not sure about this one. I don't remember testing this. But anyways, let's give it a try. So remember, we're paying attention to the current on the DC power supply. Okay, let's press the power button. Get 280 milliamps, and that's pretty solid. 270, 290, 300. Now it drops. Okay, we're back to 230, same as the other RAM. So we have concluded to say we do not have a RAM problem in this particular case. So what do we do? The next obvious thing that we do is we program the BIOS. Yeah, that is the easiest and quickest way. So you start with the simplest problems, simplest possible issues, before you jump into say CPU, ECU, what, no, just the simplest. So in this case, we've already tried the RAM, it didn't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the EEPROM. In this particular case, it's an XMC. So this is Kapton tape that I'm using to cover up plastic here to open the motherboard. Alright, let's go. Alright. Here's the BIOS EEPROM. Where is the adapter? I'm holding the adapter just a few seconds. Oh, here it is. So This particular adapter, pin number 1 always goes in this corner right over here. So in this particular adapter, that's what we do. Okay, so here's our programmer, our universal programmer. You could use the CH, you could use the, what is the name of the, I've forgotten that. So I'm going to pause now and shift to the screen recorder. So the chip wasn't detected properly. Okay, there we go. The chip has been detected. Let me try one more time to make sure. Yeah, all is good. So I'll read the file. Nope, it is not. Let me just hold it like this. Okay, cool. So the file is done. I always put them in here. So 250 GA. So what I'll do is I'll go to Telegram now. Yes, I do not have my monitor remote. I can't swap between inputs. Anyways, I've just removed that. Okay, so this is Telegram now. What I'll do is we'll search over here. This particular motherboard, it's LA325. So if you look at this board number, LAH325P, I have 1.0 and you've got the date over there. So yeah, you can get it maybe without the date or something, but I always make sure that the date is the same. If I'm downloading from Telegram, there is the date over there. So I can always compare and contrast. Anyways, the file is downloaded. Let's open it up and program it onto that chip. Okay, I've got the file in the chip now, so we'll put back the chip onto the motherboard. So pin number 1 is here with a white line, so that's where the dot goes to. I was right. Oh, they have 2 circles on one chip. Oh, that was wrong. Right. There goes the chip. You may want to add some solder sometimes, but this is fine. So let's check for display now. Okay, I'm going to plug the DC power supply and we'll press the power button. Now remember, we're paying attention to the current. Okay, the number is still the same as before, but we will see when it drops. Does it drop down to 23 or it goes up more than 23? So we are stuck on 23 again, but then now it's dropping. You can see it's no longer getting stuck on 23. Switched off, it should power on automatically now. There we go, it's a second time. So the third time it's going to display. So that was the second time. Now comes the third time, which is the charm. And there we go. We've got response from the screen. It went black. So wait for it to switch on the last time now, because it's still power cycling and memory training and all that. There we go. Programming manufacture mode is in unlock mode. There we go. HP. You could play off the light. There's an SSD inside. It's loading Windows, as you can see. This is fixed. Yeah, this is fixed. So what I would probably do is I would go to the inside machine once it's unlocked. If the customer is comfortable, I can always run the npm2, switch off the manufacturer mode. Or yeah, some customers, they don't mind. They can just keep the machine like that. They don't mind that it's showing that manufacturer mode is in unlock mode. It doesn't affect anything really. Yeah, but anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.